You ready, Vinny?
For what?
We're gonna do just say your name. You ready?
I've been ready the whole time
Here we
we've been
go.
here.
Hi, I'm Jon.
Vinny.
We're Jon and Vinny. We're out here in New York. Unfortunately, we got smoked out. Sorry, all of our fans. I got out of getting to go to the killer dinner that Gozney was hosting. But we're inside Fini Pizza, the back room. She looks like a beaut. 5-day-old dough. Still puffing. Here we are. We got a Gozney rigged up under the hood. We got Jon and Vinny pizza dough from LA here in New York. 5 days old. Shouldn't be that old, but it's okay. Everybody has their own style or technique, but this is my technique that I like to use. And I think a lot of other people in our kitchen use a similar technique. And I'm gonna just neatly use my fingers to push the dough out. And I start to build the crust now. So once you get it built out like this, it should be about the palm of your hand, right? Then you're gonna pick up the dough and you're gonna drive it like you're driving a car. Keep turning the steering wheel and let gravity pull the dough down for you. See how it's getting the gravity to pull down? Okay, now let's just take a look. It's about halfway. One more round. And then I'm gonna neatly lay it on my knuckles like this. I'm just gonna walk it around to stretch out the dough. And that's it. We're gonna walk it around. You know, a lot of the tossing is just for entertainment, more so than for actually stretching the dough. For this pizza, I just wanna make a perfect stretched out pizza dough. You can feel where it's a little bit thicker. If you want, you can give it a little bit of a light tug. Don't worry if it rips, but the real pros, they don't rip pizza. Okay, here we are right here. Take a look at it. I need to give it just one more round. Here it is. Nice, beautiful, stretched out pizza dough, right? We use a Bianca di Napoli tomato, rustic crush. We had a little salt and pepper to it. I think a lot of people's initial feeling is to put the sauce right into the middle, like a bullseye, and that's actually a bad idea. That's the weakest part of the dough. So I like to actually start with the sauce on the outside, gently work it to the middle. I think a lot of people also, when they make pizza, they put so much toppings. Making a pizza, you don't want to put too many toppings on it because then it weighs it down. Also, it spreads. This is all cold ingredients. And as you start to cook the pizza, it gets hot. It's gonna start to spread. So this is just some thinly sliced garlic that I'm just gonna lay on here. This is some homemade fennel sausage. You can take really whatever sausage you like. And same thing here. I wanna be focusing on the crust. White onion on here. Nice, that looks good. It already looks good, right? Mozzarella. I got a little bit in the middle, but I'm really focused on the outside. Dried oregano. Just a little bit on, because I like to put a little bit on also when it comes out. And then this is dusted Parmesan. It already looks pretty and I haven't even cooked it. Now I got Chef Vinny in the back here. He's cooking up a pizza. This is the one that I tossed beforehand. But you have to really focus on the outside. It will find its way to the middle as it cooks. It will start to come to the middle naturally because the crust is gonna rise, forcing the ingredients to naturally go to the middle, at least with our dough.
Jon and I's dough both, like the way the pizza looks different. Yeah. Just the person touching it, like it's like, there's so many nuances to it.
You gotta have light hands. I used to work a pizza station when I was younger. When we opened Jon and Vinny's, I mostly worked pizza and Vinny worked pasta and Expo.
Showtime.
Showtime.
I find that like for me, my personal style, like if I go too much pulling in the middle, it creates too much of a thin spot in the middle for me. I kind of let the gravity,
this pizza's ready.
The gravity and the natural weight kind of pull it. So like I don't want to try to encourage any thin spots, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, get back here, little sausage. Get back. Oh, yeah.
Bronx Bomber.
Bronx Bomber.
Hi.
Cheers.
Oh, Little hot.
Yeah, I like it hot, man. I like going in brave, getting it while it's like properly fresh. When I'm at Jon and Vinny's, man, I always try and smash the pizza quickly. You know, when it comes out, it's got that really nice crispiness.
Yeah.
Try and eat it within 5 minutes, man.
Okay.
I grew up watching the Yankees, so my family was like Yankees fans.
Crunchy.
Sounds good.
Oh, look at that. What? You gotta be kidding me. Still standing tall. Damn. Bam. Whoever knew 5-day-old dough still worked.